On the right of your screen, you're going to see Kyle Chisholm with the crash that ended his night right there in the 450 LCQ, fighting for the transfer place on the last lap, just cartwheeled, and that's never a good thing, especially in the LCQ, because you have absolutely no chance of coming back. And luckily, the wonderful people at Verb got a quote from him saying, quote, "Yeah, I'm all good. Little bruise on my leg, but that's it. Totally fine, thankfully." And it is, because you start cartwheeling with these bikes, you don't know if it catches a knee and twists it the wrong way, it lands on you and does something bad, or somebody hits you, because especially in an LCQ with how close people are running, everyone wants that place. It's good to see that he didn't get injured, didn't get hit, and being flipped over like that, the bike didn't do anything to him. So hopefully we'll see him next week. No ill effects, no problems for this. And I don't know, you guys tell me. What did you like in Seattle? Good race, good track. What did you think of it? Are you happy, with who won? Are you happy with the race in general, the season, whatever it is? Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.